In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a project, planning an event, or just need a central hub for communication with your team, group chats are an invaluable tool. Let's dive into the essential steps to effortlessly set up your group chat in Microsoft Teams. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams interface. Open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll find it easiest if you bookmark the site for quick access anytime you need to start a chat or meeting. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. When you arrive at the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually prominently displayed, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Simply enter your email and password associated with your Teams account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity with a code sent to your mobile device or email. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the Teams dashboard. In the left-hand toolbar, you'll see a chat icon, which looks like a speech bubble. Click on this icon to access the chat feature. This is where all your existing conversations live, but today, we'll focus on starting fresh. Look for the new chat icon, typically represented by a pencil or a plus sign. By clicking on this icon, you will initiate a new conversation. It's worth mentioning that if you're using the Teams app on your computer or phone, this process is quite similar. Simply locate the chat section in your app's interface and you're good to go. Now it's time to add people to your chat. In the new chat window, there's a field designated for participants. Here, start typing the names or email addresses of the people you'd like to add to the group. Microsoft Teams is designed to be intuitive, so as you type, it will suggest contacts from your organization. If it correctly predicts the person you're looking for, go ahead and click on their name to add them to the chat. Keep adding as many participants as needed for your group discussion. Once all the members you want are added, there's just one more important step, naming your group chat. You'll see a field where you can type a name for the chat at the top. Choose a name that clearly represents the purpose or members of the chat, like marketing team projects or event planning committee. A concise and descriptive name makes it easier to identify the chat later. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've created and named a group chat in Microsoft Teams, setting the stage for streamlined communication and collaboration. Remember, you can always edit the group name or add new members as your needs evolve. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy chatting.